Imagine if you could draw any character from any angle with unshakable confidence, feeling like the paper or screen is yours to command, with human figures flowing from your hands without the struggle of, is the leg crooked? Or is the arm too long? If that sounds like a distant dream, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 5 quick yet powerful tips for mastering anatomy in record time. Yes, we're going to simplify what seems complicated and make learning more efficient, and maybe even fun. So, if you're looking to level up your drawings and develop the skill to capture the human body with precision, grab your sketchbook and let's dive in. By the way, if you're tired of drawing and feeling like nothing is improving, pay attention. Marc Brunet's Art School for Digital Artists was what pulled my drawings out of stagnation and gave me an insane boost. It's like going through an art school, but for a fraction of the price and only with what really matters: perspective, anatomy, color, composition, and much more, all explained step by step, from beginner to advanced. It is, by far, the best and most complete art course on the market. Don't waste time stuck at the same level. The link's in the description. Check it out now. Let's get back to the video. Understand basic shapes. Ever tried drawing a character in a complex pose and it all looked confusing? Well, what if I told you every pose could be broken down into super simple shapes? The secret to mastering anatomy is understanding that the human body can be simplified into basic shapes like cubes, spheres, cylinders, and cones. When you look at these simple shapes, you gain a map for structuring any figure in any position. Start training with simplification. Draw the torso as a box, arms and legs as cylinders, and the head as a sphere. This doesn't just make figure construction easier, it also gives you a starting point, eliminating that initial "where do I begin" anxiety. Focus on joints, not details. Many people get lost in anatomy studies because they try to memorize every muscle and its complicated names. Sure, understanding muscles helps, but what you really need to draw well are the joints. They are the body's points of movement, and knowing how they work is more important than memorizing muscle names. To master anatomy faster, focus on how the body moves. Study the shoulder, elbow, wrists, hips, knees, and ankles. Knowing that the elbow only bends in one direction or that the shoulder allows for broader rotations will give you instant accuracy. When you understand joints, you can draw more natural dynamic poses without worrying as much about details. For a quick exercise, take some reference photos of athletes or dancers in motion and draw just the joints like small circles. Notice how the body structure forms in different positions and how it's much easier to understand movement when you focus on the joints. Draw the simplified skeleton. Now that we've covered basic shapes and joints, let's move on to a structure that makes a huge difference: the skeleton. But don't worry, I'm not talking about memorizing every bone. The idea here is to simplify the skeleton to use it as a guide. This means that instead of drawing a fully detailed arm, you start with a basic line for the bone and then build volume on top. The trick lies in visualizing the spine, rib cage, and pelvis. These elements are the foundation of the body's balance and movement, and understanding their placement is essential for drawing dynamic poses. Try drawing the spine first with a fluid line, then add the rib cage and pelvis. This basic guide will help you create more natural-looking poses since the body will seem more organized and real. Making quick sketches of the skeleton in various poses will train your eye to understand proportions and give you a clear view of how the body parts connect. It might feel a bit robotic at first, but with practice, you'll see a big improvement in your figure drawing. Use the line of action technique. This is a game changer for anyone wanting to draw figures with movement and expression. The line of action is a simple line that flows through the body, from head to toe, defining the figure's posture and movement. Instead of starting with the body outline, begin with the gesture, and the line of action is the soul of that gesture. Imagine you want to draw someone running. The line of action will guide this pose, setting the direction and movement. Instead of drawing the outline, you start with this fluid line that follows the movement's energy. This will bring a lot more naturalness to your drawing, making it look alive. Practice this by drawing action poses with an initial line of action. Start by observing photos or videos of people in motion and drawing just the line of action. Once you internalize this practice, it becomes much easier to draw figures in motion and add dynamism to your illustrations. Draw daily with references. The best way to solidify any knowledge is practice. And when it comes to anatomy, using references is essential. No matter how well you know the theory, without practice, your brain simply won't retain the information. So draw every day and preferably with a solid reference base. It's a good idea to look for varied references. from photos with dramatic poses to illustrations by artists you admire. There are even specific sites with photos of models in different poses and angles, perfect for study. Set aside a portion of your day to practice for 15 to 30 minutes using these references. Focus on capturing proportions, the fluidity of movement, and the relationship between body parts. When this becomes a habit, you'll find you can draw without even looking at a reference because your visual memory will be trained to understand human proportions and structure. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next ones. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to check the description. There are several important links that can help you even more. See you in the next video.